Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add Google Tag Manager in Elementor Canvas template in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Canvas template. In this template, no header and footer display. Now go to page. Now you don't see any header and footer. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. And if you want you can add code in function.php. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So we are going to add code in PHP snippet. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. Then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste. So in this section you can add your Google Tag Manager code. And then you see we added add action hook, WP head, and then you see function. Now function close. Now you see. And in this section you can add your script code. And then scroll down you see inside method auto install location. So we select run everywhere, and then on top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. So set location run everywhere, because in Elementor Canvas template no header and footer. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. Now right click on it and then click on inspect or view page source. So click on it. So we are in page source. Now find here Google Tag Manager. Now search. And then you see code googletagmanager.com in Canvas Elementor template. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.